Hello, we are going to see in this video how to set up our Sumo bot and so we can start programming it. So first of all, we go to Google and we type down Zumo32u4 users guide and we take the first input. Okay, so we are now in the page where all the documentation for the Sumo bot is. And we go to this 5.1 installing Windows drivers. Here we have basically the guide, what I'm gonna do right now. We can download the drivers in this link. I did already, so I have them here. And here in this file a/star we go and install. Okay. Of course we say yes, and yeah, it's easy. We just need to do that. So we have our drivers installed. So now we can actually connect our robot. So we use a USB. And we can check if our robot is connected in the device manager. So we can go here in the Windows and say device manager. Okay, so the device manager basically shows you all the devices that are connected to the computer, and we need to check for the COM ports, which is here. And we have the Arduino June. In this case, this is the name for this one. So we can see that the robot is connected. So once our robot is detected by the computer, now we are going to install the Arduino IDE. We can follow the instructions in the next page. Basically, what we have to do is go to the Arduino download page and download the last IDE. In this case, this 1.8. So we can come here on Windows 7 or newer, and download. I have already Arduino installed, so I'm gonna open my own. Once we open the IDE, this is how it looks. We have to go to File, Preferences, and then in this box, Additional Board Manager URLs, we have to copy paste the URL that they give us here, so the IDE can reference the driver for our Arduino. Okay, and now we are ready to go. So now we can go to Tools, Board, and we need to tell the IDE which board we are using. In this case is the Zumo32u4. So we go to Board Manager and we type Polulu, and we get this Polulu A start boards that it includes the board we are using. So I already have them installed, but you just click here on install. So now we can tell the IDE which is our board. We go to Tools, Board, scroll down until A*32u4. Cool. So the last thing we have to do is import. We need to find our Arduino. In this case, right now is COM9. If I change the USB to another port, this number can change. So maybe instead of COM9 is COM5 or COM3 or whatever. So we select the port. This is important so our IDE can detect the Arduino. And we're gonna try to just upload a simple sketch. In this case, we go to examples, basic, and blink. For example, this is the one of the easier one. And we have these two buttons here. This one is to verify our code that doesn't have any errors, and this one is to upload it. So we upload the code into the robot. So we are gonna do that. Now it's taking time to upload the code. Okay, so the code is uploaded, and basically what this code does is to make the yellow LED of the PCB to blink. So if we see in the, yeah, you can see that there is a LED that is blinking. So this is like a way to check that our Zumobot is working and is talking with the computer and everything works. So once you have the yellow LED blinking, you can start working with Arduino.